Yeah.
Are those tears salty?
Yeah.
Do you want to make tear water tea? Think about something sad. What's so sad that you can make more tears with? Not going to my G's house. What else? Cones with no ice cream. Taste the tear. Put your finger on one and then put your finger in your mouth. Taste one of your tears. Taste it. What's it taste like?
Salty.
It's salty, right? How salty is it? Taste the one on your chin. You have a huge tear on your chin. Tear chin. Ew!
Salty.
Yeah. Wow.